falling love, legs to the ceiling, the windows keep fogging up. You bought your business, the money keep calling up. Red and her family, only thing she brawling for. In the streets, girl, they put respect on your name like you rapping Bird Gang, and that is all I need, girl. You just the kind I like, you work your 9 to 5, then you head straight to OT, girl. You not a rat, you just share common facts that you both like to chase down the cheese, girl. You keep your nails done every week and your weave stay on fleek, what I need, girl. Ass on fire.
Hey you guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little tip. I don't have a coffee pot, but I thought this was neat, you know. And I like coffee. I probably drink coffee maybe once or twice, maybe 3 times. No, literally once or twice out of the month. I try to depend on vitamins and stuff because coffee could be, I don't know. It just seems like it make you look old. I don't know. I just don't like coffee too much. It doesn't seem healthy. So I just got a clean stocking and a baby bottle, a baby cup. And I just microwave some hot water. Excuse my nails. I'm trying to grow my real ones out. I'm taking these things off because I can't move around like I want with them. A baby cup. Put it in the microwave as long as you want till the water's hot as you can take it. Put a teaspoon of regular coffee ground, and then let it, once it come out the microwave, don't put the coffee ground in the water together in the microwave. It's going to explode, make a mess in your microwave. So boil the water, take it out, put the coffee ground in there. I have had it sitting right now for about 2-3 minutes. That's all you need. A teaspoon, a half, however you want, okay? I don't do measurements, you guys, because your teaspoon might be my tablespoon. I can't taste salt. You might can, you know? It's just to each his own. Now here's my cup. I've already put sugar and cream in it. Sometimes I use regular milk. And we're just going to pour that in there. Okay? And that's it. You got you a good cup of joe. If you want to add a little water, more water to it, you're welcome to do so, because sometimes it can be very, very strong because you did it with coffee ground as opposed to doing it with the grinded kind. I like to do it like this because it tastes richer and it does work. It gets me up. I went swimming yesterday and barbecued. I had a good day, so I stayed home. All right, you guys, let's put that to the side and let's get started with today's breakfast. I'm going to show you guys a quick tip on how to make waffles. Breakfast waffles, that's what I'm going to call them for now. I don't know what I'm going to title the content yet. This is a plate of, this is just pancake mix of your choice. I get the Ain't Your Mama one. You just add water to it. And it's much easier that way, you guys, because I'm a mom. I don't have time for egg cracking, and I need my eggs to eat, okay? So just get this one, the complete. You just add water, okay, you guys? It's already good. It's already ready to go. Don't get the one you have to add all that stuff to, because that'll eat up your eggs. I got a kid. You know, I got a kid. I got to save that stuff. I really live thrifty. That's how I make it stretch. And I live good by doing that. So this is some chopped up breakfast meat of my choice. You guys can use turkey, whatever you want, okay? And this is the mix. Letting my waffle maker get warm. Yes, I have TD Jakes streaming from home because I didn't make it to church today. I just been really tired at all angles, spiritually, emotionally. I'm all over the place. I'm pooped, exhausted. I have a busy week. Every week is busy. Okay, so if you guys hear it, I apologize if that's not your forte. This is the pancake mix, okay? So just take it under, just pour water in it enough to where you can see it smoothing out and stop. Don't add different cups because, once again, I might not measure it by the cups. What if I don't want a whole cup? What if I want a half cup? I eyeball it because I eyeball it based on my stomach, okay? So you can follow the instructions, but basically make sure before you cook it, make sure it's smooth like that, okay? That's what you want to look for. Follow the instructions. That's up to you. It's behind the box. Now, we got a hot iron. It don't take long to get hot. Now we're going to add the meat. Okay? I know you guys are like, what? Yeah, the meat. Ooh, it's hot. You can add as much meat as you want. And we're gonna shut it. Okay? Ooh, if you guys ain't watching, y'all need to put it on TD Jakes. He's live streaming his birthday party at his church. He got a wonderful pastor on here, and he cutting up. He cutting up. He good. I'm gonna get his name. Okay, so this butter, oops, it's called Fresh Buttery Taste. It is basically no hydrogenated oils, no cholesterols, less saturated fat. So it's kind of healthy because I had to cut down. I'm trying to work on being bigger and better. Let's get it cracking again. Make sure you add, if you guys are using turkey meat, spray the area. I wouldn't suggest you spray a lot, but spray just enough so you can be covered. I'm just gonna make 2. And this is good, you guys, when you got kids. My channel is for everyone, but I mainly make this channel for women and men with kids. It's a struggle in the kitchen, you know? Them kids be crying. I'm a mom, I know. And they be ready to eat now. As soon as my baby wake up, she gonna be ready to eat. Look, she crying right now. It's right on time. She smell it. She know mama getting down. Smash it on down. How do you know how much to add? Now that is on you. I don't know. But I just kept trying till I stopped spilling. Took me an egg. And a little salt and pepper. I was going to scramble it, but I don't have time. Look at that. What? I'm going to slap some cheese on the top of that. And this breakfast is about to be done. You guys. Hey. Poke it a little bit. I don't like that yolk in there like that, so I'll just poke mine a couple of times. Let's give it another flip. Look at that. Bomb. Let it rain right now. I won't go back. I can't go back to the way I used to be. Look, slap that on there. Just some cheese, regular cheese. That wasn't nothing but a piece of Velveeta. Don't make life hard. Y'all be doing too much. Ain't nobody got time like that. I took that waffle and I flipped it and re-crunched it down, smashed it, and passed it. No, I'm just playing. Excuse me. I'm sorry, Lord. I'm over here talking about smashing. Passing. Okay, so look. Put a little butter on there. These are my eggs. If you don't want them like that, that's up to you. We at home. We not at no restaurant, y'all. Y'all not coming to eat with me. It ain't none of that going down. I'm talking about some regular at the house cooking for the family tips. It ain't about how clean my stove is. Not about none of that. If I'm sneezing or coughing, just focus on the tip. You know? That's all y'all got to do. Now look at that. You got your meat. You see that? You got you a little egg on the side with some cheese in there. Look at that egg. Done. Nice and right. And good. Yeah, my mouth watering. It should be. And now, we're going to take some of this Ain't Your Mama Buttery Rich. You guys can use whatever syrup you want. This is a tip. This is not follow my lead, do what I do, break your diet. This is for me. So if you want to do vegetarian meat, go on. But I'm just giving you a tip on how to make waffles and your meat, and then you put the egg on the side and you're done. I basically got this breakfast done in about 20 minutes, not even that long. And with that all being said, I just want to simply thank you guys for watching my channel. I thank you for supporting me. I thank you for just subscribing. I'm seeing the subscriber count go up. I see people comment, and it's getting more and more positive, and that's what I want, you guys. I'm trying to get a positive atmosphere. I'm trying to help you help me. Let's share tips on how to get these kids fed, even raise these kids, you know, because breakfast food is very important, you guys. And that's all I'm trying to do, is just share a little light on how to cook and make life easier. Now, before I go though, I got to clown and show out a little bit. I'm gonna go on and kick it with just a little bit of cinnamon. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Boom. Okay. Okay, Annie, here I come, Uma. All right, you guys have a blessed one. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell on the right-hand side. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video. This is my waffle. This was my first time making it for you guys, too. I had this idea in my head. God gives me these recipes, and I wake up, and when I record when he wants me to, and what to record. Amen. Let this video share light to your life. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.